The deputy at the center of this deadly traffic stop that killed a man once wrongfully imprisoned, now facing serious federal charges himself. And now the family of Leonard Cure is speaking out against what they call corrupt law enforcement.
Thanks to the Department of Justice, a corrupt murderer is off the streets. This means that other families will be spared the heartache and pain that our family has been forced to endure.
We are continuing to learn more about the indictment against the Camden County Sergeant accused of using excessive force 4 different times.
The arrest report of 42-year-old Buck Aldridge also says he submitted written reports that didn't tell the full story. A grand jury has indicted him on multiple civil rights violations. And today, Cure's family and civil rights attorneys say their fight for justice is far from over. News4JAX reporter Alicia Hatcher tells us more about their demands and the case that's drawn national attention.
Inside this church, civil rights attorneys Ben Crump and Harry Daniels stood alongside the Cure family as they spoke about Aldridge's indictment. They say what happened to Cure was the driving force for this. They also say for Leonard Cure's family, it's another step in their fight for justice. Leonard Cure's life was a story of resilience.
My brother was a gentle person. He loved to dance.
Cure spent 16 years in prison for a crime he did not commit before being exonerated in 2020. But after only being out for 3 years, Cure was killed during a traffic stop.
Get out!
Body camera video captured the moment former Camden County Deputy Buck Aldridge pulled Cure over, tased him, things escalating, and ultimately shooting him.
Turn around.
Nearly 2 years after Cure's death, his family says the indictment against Aldridge marked another step forward.
And I will continue to fight for him. This is just a starting point. His death is going to help a lot of people.
That's right.
That is my prayer, that it will help a lot of people not to have to stand here where I'm standing, shed another tear.
On Thursday, the U.S. Attorney's Office for the Southern District of Georgia announced a 13-count indictment against Aldridge, accusing him of using excessive force at least 4 times and falsifying 9 reports to justify it. The indictment mentions 4 arrests that happened between 2021 and 2023. It accused Aldridge of kicking, punching, and using his taser during arrests, then omitting certain details from the reports. Attorneys Crump and Daniels say Cure's death in October of 2023 could have been prevented.
We believe that Leonard Cure would be alive had they held Buck Aldridge accountable on the first time. You see in the case, second time, third time, fourth, 3 strikes, you should have been out, but they gave him a 4th time in the 5th time.
And the 9 times he lied on the reports.
In the 9 times that he lied on the reports.
Cure's family says this fight is bigger than their loss. They hope these charges not only bring justice, but also spark change in how officers are held accountable before it's too late. Aldridge faces up to 10 years in prison for every excessive force charge and up to 20 years for every falsified report. For now, reporting in Georgia, Alicia Hatcher, Channel 4, the local station.